obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still.
Today I have 5. The first one, of course, starts at 10 o'clock. The second one is at 11 o'clock. And then the last 3 are the same insured. So I got it down for 11:30. We're going to hit one that's really close to the house. And then the second 2 are a little piece out, but not far. Probably about another 15 minutes, I think. It may not be that much. I haven't actually measured it out, but I'm assuming based off the zip code, it's not that far. But this is for one actual insured. So we're going to play tag along today and follow each other around town until we get those last 3 done. And like I told you, if I ever have those where they're back to back and I have several of them that are the actual same insured, then I make sure that I give them the rest of the day so that we don't have to be in no hurry to get them done because I have someone else looking for me. Now, this location here, I've already called my contact because I figured that something was going on where they're running a little late, and he says that he's about 11 minutes or so out, and we have an issue. The issue is that no one is wanting anyone to come into their apartment, so he said that unfortunately we don't have okay, well, he just called and interrupted my conversation, but yeah, I just have to do basic things on the outside. Let me see if I can get in on this building, and I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. 15 long minutes later. My contact hasn't shown, and he says he'll be a few minutes late, and yeah, and then now the tenant says that they'll be here too in a few minutes to let me inside of the building. I let them know that, you know, I'm crunch. I got work to do in other apartments that I need to get to. I can't be hanging around in one location, but you know, sometimes this is one of those things that you have to do. Yep, another 15 minutes. So my contact shows up 30 minutes past time. I normally don't wait that long, but he was begging. Because he had just come from some location and he was trying to get there and he got stuck in traffic. And I was letting him know, look, you're pushing my whole day behind. You're going to have me running late my entire day if you do not get here. And I am about ready to go. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. If you're not here, I am pulling off. I had to get in the car. I'm telling you now, because you can't let these people just ruin your day out here now. I mean, I understand he got in traffic, but what does that have to do with me? It has nothing to do with me, because he knew that we had appointments today and he knew to have been here. This appointment was already set a couple of days, like this time last week. Leaving plenty of time. You know where you live. You know how this city is. You know what this traffic is looking like. Get out and get moving. Like, golly. I was actually able to get into a unit though, so that's a plus. But yeah, I didn't have to wait on the person that he told me that I was going to have to wait on. He happened to call back in the mix of him, you know, whining about the fact that it's taking him so long to get there, to tell me to just knock on door such and such. I went over there and rang the doorbell, and this nice lady answered the door, and in my mind, I'm like, I could have been in this apartment. Oh my goodness. You know what? It's just too much, but I got it done. And then I have someone calling to confirm their time, and it's just, oh, I'm running today, guys. I'm running. Every day I ain't, rose petals and peaches. Every day, not that. Okay, but we're gonna get it done, so it's on to the next. I went inside of the apartment and I took an image of the flooring, the ceiling. They had sprinklers, so I had to take a picture of the sprinkler system inside of the apartment. I made sure I got the sub panel on the outside. I did an overall interior view of the apartment itself. Sub panel is, of course, but I'm finna do a U-turn. Okay, see, this map is going crazy. All right, so yeah, the sub panel means the electrical panel that be on the inside of the house. So I had to make sure I got that as well, and it was deep off into her garage, packed behind a bunch of, I was up in there maneuvering trying to get out, but I managed to get it done. And they had sprinkler system on outside the building too, so of course, you know, I had to do that and catch that tag. And they have a fire extinguisher on the outside. One, it's really small, which is not going to help anybody do nothing. And it hasn't been inspected or nothing. So I told him, you're going to have to go on ahead and make sure that you get a new one put in here and get it inspected. You will receive a recommendation based off of the fact that you don't have it, and so you can look for that. So we're on to the next. See how quickly I can get here, because he has thrown me behind by a few minutes. And yeah, so let's just ride out.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, said no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This one was fast because I had to play catch up. So I was able to finish that one. So you remember I told you the third one is in the same zip code. So it says, according to the map, 4 minutes. And I will be there at exactly 11:30. So I done worked it out, honey, because that first man had me running behind time. I was like, oh, you finna have to maneuver some tricks. Okay. Man, I hate when I'm running late. These people be doing too much sometimes. You know, he calling all out at me like, you know, it's my fault. You know, I ain't got nothing to do with the fact that you're running behind time now. You have somewhere you need to be. You know, we already set this appointment a week ago. You need to make sure you can get here. All of that late. I don't do late well. I don't like waiting on people. And I definitely don't like people to have to wait on me. No, indeed. But, I mean, I was really running, guys. Can't you tell? So now when I go to this lady right here, or this gentleman, I'm not even sure which one it's gonna be. When I get to this person, and start working on these inspections, I'm gonna be with this person for the remainder of the day. For the remainder of the time, rather. I hope it don't take all day. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be piggybacking each other throughout the whole time. But hopefully we have 2 of them where the first one turns out it's up the street, and then the next one is a little piece. So, but when we get to the second one and the third one are right next to each other. So hopefully we'll be able to knock those out as fast as we possibly can. Cause I'm tired of this day already. Yes, yes, yes.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
The one right there with the man walking in front of it, right there. And that's where I am headed. So this is one of those times when they send someone and the person has no idea about anything. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with right now. So she is sending a text to someone to see if they will know the answers to all of these questions that she doesn't know the answers to. Luckily for me, they were in my email when I returned home. So by the time we finish up these next two, I have all the answers. So, man, but it's moving faster than I thought it was. Okay, moving much quicker. Let me put this address in.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Okay, so it is now 12:41, 12:42, 12:42, and we have finished with all 5. Well, you know what? Not necessarily all 5. There are 2 of them that by the time I get home, I should have some answers to 2 or 3 questions in the email, because you know, I'll be like, chop, chop, chop. Look, these inspections need to be done today. The carriers are expecting them to be finished today. We set these appointments a couple of days ago, and so you were already previously aware of the information that you was going to have to provide for me. It has to be done today or it will be deemed incomplete. I'll be putting all types of cushions and puddings and toppings on top of all of this stuff. We're trying to get it all done. So by right now, as of right now, effectively, I am done. Oh, I'm so glad I could go home. It doesn't take long at all to put these into the system, so I should be finished in no time and get prepared for a new day. And that's going to bring my total to $425 in 2.5 hours. Yes, I can go home and relax. After I put these in, I think I'm going to head back out. Because this morning, you know, I had headed out and got me a little, I don't know how many, was it 4 miles? I didn't do many miles on my feet this morning. It was like 4 miles. But the weather has changed a lot. And so I think that it feels good enough for me to actually maybe head back out again today, this afternoon, since I'm finished. Today is a good day. Started off kind of rough. You know, you have to watch these people when they don't want to show up for their appointments and all of that old stuff, and they want to be running late and have you pushing and worrying about what time you're going to make it to a location. I'm telling you, it'd be a mess. Let's go. So I'm gonna have to let you guys, I'm gonna chop this short because it's hot. Cause I got a little hot up in here. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you on the flip. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Everything that you thought you could never do before, and even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you